Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe for kids. It literally takes 10 to 15 minutes to get it ready. So let's start making chicken pasta. The ingredients you need to make chicken pasta are, here I have got 300 grams of boneless chicken cut into strips, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'm going to use ready-made pasta sauce. You can use any sauce you like, and some pasta. First of all, I'm going to boil water for pasta, and in this boiling water I will add some salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. First of all, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste in the oil. Cook it for 1 minute until the rawness of ginger garlic has gone. And next I'm adding all the chicken strips. I'm cooking chicken on low to medium flame until the chicken changes its color. While the chicken is being cooked, I'm going to start boiling the pasta. So here I've got 1 large bowl of pasta. In the chicken, I'm going to add a splash of water. I'm going to cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Now I'm going to check if the pasta is ready or not. So you can just take out one pasta and see. No, I think it will take a couple of more minutes. So moving on to the chicken. So this is half cooked. At this point, I'm going to add half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste, and half a teaspoon of crushed chilies. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. And let's check on pasta again. I think it is ready, so I'm gonna go and drain it. Okay, I'm going to run cold water on the pasta so it doesn't stick together. Okay, let's show you. See? So now you can leave it for a few minutes. If you want, you can drizzle some oil on the top. Otherwise, it should be okay like this as well. Okay, now I'm going to add pasta sauce in the chicken. As I said before, you can use any pasta sauce you like. So this is 1 small bottle of pasta sauce, and mix it well. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Now I'm going to cover the lid again and let it cook. Now you can see the chicken is ready and the sauce has thickened. At this point, I'm going to add in the pasta. Give it a good mix. And we'll just cook it for 2 more minutes on medium flame. And lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some oregano and mozzarella cheese.